Good morning, everyone. Patrick Blake, your market analyst from FIDEM Trade. As usual, today we're going to take a look at the news, the market conditions. We'll be able to focus for the rest of the day on our trades. Now we have the AUD, Australian dollar, in focus. First, we have the employment change. This is a vital economic data released shortly after the month ends. The combination of importance and earliness makes for hefty market impacts. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. That actually have been released, and we can actually see that forecast was 14.8K. It came out as an actual 58.6K, big numbers. That means that the AUD is going to rally against its US counterpart. It's a big number. It's a very, very, very good numbers for the employment change in Australia. The unemployment rate, followed by the unemployment rate, the second, it's generally viewed as a lagging indicator. The number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. Again, good numbers, positive way. It fell down. The forecast was 6.2%. It fell down to 5.9%. So that is basically regarding the Australian dollar. Taking a look at the euro, we have the European Central Bank President Mario Draghi speaks. So basically it's very important because we can read between the lines, and he will drop clues about the future monetary policy, how it will be. Basically, he is the head of the European Central Bank, which controls short-term interest rates, and he has more influence over the euro's value than any other person. So that's how important that is for the Eurozone and the euro as a currency itself. We take a look now at the US dollar. We do have the unemployment claims. This is the nation's earliest economic data. The market impact fluctuates from week to week. There tends to be more focus on the release when traders need to diagnose recent development on when the reading is at extremes. Although it's generally viewed as a lagging indicator, the number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is again highly correlated with labor market conditions. Unemployment is also a major consideration for those steering the country's monetary policy. So there is people that actually steering the monetary policy, and this number shows how the economy is healthy. There is a creation of job in the economy or not, what's going on, and that's why these numbers are very important, and that particular report is very important report to focus on. That's regarding the USD. Again, we do have the regarding again the US dollar. We have the Fed chair Yellen Janet speaks. She is the head of the central bank and controls the short-term interest rates. Same like Mario Draghi with the euro. She has more influence over the nation's currency value than any other person. Okay, so that's again, it's very important, and usually there is clues dropped regarding future monetary policy. For the rest of the day, we also have the crude oil inventories. That's regarding the US dollar. Actually affects the oil prices. It influences the price of petroleum products, which affects inflation, but also impact growth, as many industries rely on oil to produce goods. So let's take a look and concentrate on what we said. We have the AUD, we have the euro, we have the USD. Most importantly, I want you to take later on the statements of Mario Draghi, European Central Bank, and Yellen Janet, the Fed chair. it will be released so we can read between the lines and we'll understand the future monetary policy, where it's heading. For today, that will be it. I wish all of you a great day. Make some profit. Patrick Blake. See you tomorrow.